I said free. Oh, good. Did I see this? My skin catch a fire. So this is what in the package. That's the manual. How to set up the juicer and all of that. And then you get something that says free. Oh, good. Did I see this? My skin catch a fire. But it's a peeler in there. So put those to the side. And let's. Oh shit, it's upside. Come on, Dad. Alright, so it's open. It looked nice. Ooh, it looked nice. That's a little plunger thing that push down. You got a latch on it to pull off. You could take this off. Then you got the little strainer. The strainer will look real fine and nice. Then you got this other part that could come off. Oh, and it come off. That's the little, what you call this now? Where the dispose go in the trash. Oh shit. And but not least, oh snap, you got a brush in there. And you get a jug. And it also have a measuring stuff. Let me get it, CC. And then you have the cover. So guys, I'm gonna be rinsing out the little part and that come apart before I start using it. I don't know, I guess this is a Jamaican thing, I'm not sure, but we always try to rinse tea. We got a hose, so I finished rinse it up, so I'm just gonna put it together. And it's not hard to put together, easy. I put a bag here because I'm lazy and I don't want to clean up too much stuff. Then you put on back this piece, which is the, yes, that would be the blade. Then you put on the cover. It's super easy, guys. Super. Oh shit. Okay. Oh, then you lock it with here to secure it. Oh, see, we can't lock it. Oh, you gotta put some strength. You gotta put a strength on that. Then we're gonna put the plunger in. Shit, look like the soap in the wash off. Alright, there we go. There we go. It's together. So I'm gonna be juicing. I pick up some beets at the store and some carrots. I'm gonna juice it in there to see what it's like. But let me clean up the fruits and so I went ahead and I cut up some carrots and beets and we're gonna test it out. Oh shit, am I doing this right? Okay. Okay, that way I guess, yeah, there it is. So we're gonna put the carrots in and we got a little plunger thing. So let's put it on. You got 2 speed. We got, hold on, let's put this on. Let's show you guys what the speed it got. Oh shit, I hope you see this. 1 and 2. So let's put the carrots in there, put it on 1. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh! Yeah?
I want you to do.
It's so loud. It does scare me. Put it too high. Put it too high. Let's.
So how it come out?
It come out, man.
Mom, can I try? Can I try?
Ooh, we think we're destroying the thing.
Hi guys.
So scary.
Mommy, I want to try. Mommy, try. Please.
Here.
I want to crush it too.
Put it in. Put it in, man. Put it in. Enoughness.
Okay, can I crush it?
Wait now. God damn it. block the video. The people that might go see. Sorry.
My hand felt like a thing busy on it.
Wow, this thing is noisy
And powerful.
Mona Jamar, please.
I'm gonna make my own juice.
So I'm juicing 1 level, 2, 1, 2. But it's not done. There's still more. Ooh, you gotta really press it in.
Ooh, taste it.
Mona, stop.
I'm just waiting. Mom, why was it spinning?
I wasn't on. As we go along.
Oh, it looks beautiful.
But let's taste this drink
Then it's gonna be my turn, guys.
to see what it tastes like.
It's reddish. I think it's gonna taste good. Mommy.
And the good thing, it have the foam blocker, so you're not getting the foam in your drink. I don't know what it's gonna taste like because it's only beets and carrot mixed together, but let's go ahead. For some reason, it's sweet. I thought it, but you know, I don't know if you guys ever drink beets. You know, beets have a I don't know, like a dirt taste, but it do taste sweet, and you don't taste any
Mom, turn this in. I want to.
Relax, please. Excuse. For this, you don't taste any drugs in there. It blended out real smooth. I'm not gonna lie. You get all the juice in it. Only thing this did want, a piece of ginger. Right, CC? What? You're messing with stuff. So the trash. Wow, I think it sucked out the juice pretty good. But look, you see that? It have some little bits of big pieces. And look at this, the beets. All of it didn't mash all the way. Look at that. I don't know why it did that. Maybe I gotta cut it up before I put it in. And look at this also. But overall, with this, it is good. I recommend it. It's pretty good. It worked fast, but maybe I need to, maybe some other stuff you gotta cut it up so it extract the juice much better. But other from that, I like it. It's my first time using a juicer, and I like it. Not my first time, my second time, because I bought one earlier and I didn't like it. It didn't squeeze out the juice as much. It was smaller, and this one is bigger. But I swear, fruits, what's this, vegetable, they do give natural flavor. It's pretty good. I got this, I know I said it earlier, but I got this juicer off Amazon. So if you guys want to go ahead and purchase it, you could go ahead. I recommend this. I give this juicer a 10. As I said, it's my first time with a juicer. $60, you can't go bad. I think it's pretty good for the price. Pretty good. I love it. But I gotta figure out what I need to do with the extract. I don't want to waste them. I think we could do something useful with them. But go ahead, guys, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Look at this. Look at this. Look here. Who's doing what you doing? So let's go back to the juicer. Yeah, this is a pretty decent juicer. I like it. And it have this suction in, so look at that. You see, it's not even moving. You gotta literally push it with force for it to tip over. So that's good. When you put your fruits and vegetables in, it won't knock over. And it's good to always out the bags, so the cleanup process is easy. Yeah, I think I say pretty much about it. It's sterling steel. It's
made out of iron.
it's nice. It's lightweight. You know, we talk about the jug. The jug is big. It's good because I have CC giving me a lot of problems. So go ahead and get you a juice, and maybe you will have more fruits and vegetables in your life. Bye. Subscribe.
Bye. Bye.
So this is how the juice is. I already rinsed that out. And this is the extra. Oh shit. There we go. See?